Sitting back here, looking. I don't think these glasses are doing me any good. I'm making a video sitting back here because the app I got to edit my video that I took at Guy's Kitchen and Bar in Choctaw Casino, it stopped at 62.60%. I guess because my battery was low. So I'm going to have to redo it when my battery is full. I'm looking for birds. I have my other glasses on because I can't see. And I can't see. So if y'all see this and don't see no intro and outro, you'll know that I can't edit it. I want to give a shout out to Jeff and Miss Marie, Vacation Station TV. I hope and pray that your cabin survived the fires. It brought me to tears when I seen the video as we was going through the car wash. I hope y'all are safe and are okay. Love y'all. Mean it. My prayers for all of Wares Valley and surrounding areas are in my thoughts and prayers. We went to Durant, so I won at Choctaw. My mom did too. We had fun today. And got trash can nachos. No birds at the bird feeder yet. There was yesterday until they see me on the couch getting up and coming outside and they flew off. So I hope y'all like this video. Even though I don't have my other glasses on, so I can't see if there's any birds in the branches. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment. What now? Like, comment. I can't think. I'm not awake. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.